Back, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Meta Knight from Kirby right back at ya. Meta Knight basically is one of the main protagonists for Kirby right back at ya. He's more than just a brave soldier, but he's actually quite wise. And trust me, he's battled against Kirby before. And has also assisted him on many adventures involving the fights involving all the monsters that were shown up on campus. Drawing Meta Knight is easy. First of all, you start with the shoulder pad. Now we draw this mark here. Now we draw this shoulder pad here. Meta Knight basically is one popular Kirby right back at ya fighter. I'm proud to see what time he comes next. Alright, here's his sword. Now we draw this mark here. Here's his sword. And finished. That's how you draw Meta Knight. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and check out which fighter I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.